What's happening with your YouTube? Another motherfucking ratchet review. Got that Pacc in, dog. Pacc in, Pacc motherfucking in. My first dog, we y'all hit that like button if you fucks with your boy. You don't hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that's fucking with your boy. Fuck you haters with a sick dick, no rubber. Shit, shout out to everybody that's goddamn get it in. Let's get it, man. Y'all see those boy on World Star? Man, what, like 55 grand? Talking about some J's they got them for. Shit. I couldn't take that lead, dog. But man, shit, I wouldn't be getting that much shit in no one motherfucking time. No way, man, what? Hell to the dog. You might shout that girl girl. Shit, get your hold up. Hold on, I clear my thing out of right now. Yeah, man, shout out to her. And shit. Y'all see what it is, Brown, side 9. Side 9. No, these are not up for grabs. These are not up for grabs. I repeat, they're not up for grabs. Red thing. Man, y'all see what it is. The knocking pedal, man, look. There's a lot of sites coming talking about they got knocking pedals and shit. I'm gonna have to do a video about that shit, man. Look, just because they say knocking pedal, that don't, man, look. They just starting to come out. You see some of them saying, God, knocking pedal now. You feel me? Like, man, look. You gotta watch for the hookout children. You know what I mean? Hey. Everything through on them hoes, calling fever. Oh shit, down go motherfucking phrase. Down go motherfucking phrase. But yeah, let me give y'all a little quick review on them hoes. Down, third space on them bitches, everything. Gucci motherfucking Poochie. And shit, they about to be in the motherfucking mail. Man, more Pacc coming, more everything coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me.